In the heart of ancient Rome, under the ever-watchful eyes of the gods, lived a young boy named Cassius. His family was humble but proud. His father served as a standard-bearer in the Roman legions, carrying the mighty Aquila, the golden eagle that symbolized the honor and spirit of their unit. Cassius dreamed of becoming a soldier like his father, but mostly he dreamed of adventure. Every day after his chores, he would sneak to the edge of the city, near the sprawling forests where whispers of bandits and lost treasures stirred the imaginations of boys and men alike. One crisp morning, news swept through Rome like wildfire. The legion's sacred eagle standard has been stolen. Without it, the soldiers' spirits faltered, and Rome's enemies grew bolder. Cassius's father was heartbroken. Without the eagle, our legion is lost. Determined to restore his father's pride and save the legion, Cassius decided to find the lost eagle himself. The journey begins. Armed with only a small dagger and his wits, Cassius slipped away from the city gates under the cover of dawn. His best friend Tullius, a sharp-witted girl who knew the wilderness better than anyone, insisted on coming along. No adventure is worth facing alone. Together they followed clues whispered by travelers, traders, and even captured bandits. Their first stop was the rugged hills of Montes Ferox, where rumors told of a shadowy figure hoarding stolen treasures. Trials in the wild. The hills were treacherous. Jagged rocks, thorny bushes, and wild animals tested their resolve. One evening, as the sun dipped below the horizon, they were surrounded by a pack of wolves. Cassius remembered the stories his father told him. Wolves respected courage. Standing tall, he raised his dagger and shouted, "We seek peace, not war." The wolves, sensing his bravery, slowly backed away. Tullius smiled. "Your father would be proud." The bandits' lair. After days of searching, they found the bandit camp hidden in a cave. Cassius and Tullius watched from a distance as rough men laughed around a fire. Among the stolen goods lay the shining golden eagle, perched proudly atop a wooden stand. Cassius's heart raced. How could they get it back without fighting an army? That night, under a new moon, they snuck into the camp. Tullius' skill with shadows was unmatched. They tiptoed past sleeping guards and quietly reached the eagle. Suddenly, a hand grabbed Cassius's shoulder. The unexpected ally. It was a young bandit named Lucius, but instead of anger, his eyes held sadness. "I don't want to fight," he whispered. "They forced us to take the eagle. We only want freedom." Cassius's heart softened. "Then help us return it peacefully. Help us prove that even enemies can be friends." Lucius nodded. Together they planned the return and the victory. At dawn, the bandits, led by Lucius, marched back to Rome with Cassius and Tullius. The city watched in awe as the lost eagle gleamed in the morning sun. The general embraced Cassius's father and thanked the young heroes. The legion cheered, inspired by courage, friendship, and peace. The lesson. Cassius learned that true honor is not only in the sword, but in mercy, understanding, and bravery to choose peace. Moral of the story. Courage isn't just fighting, it's knowing when to stand tall and when to extend a hand.